How to turn on creator mode on LinkedIn. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn on creator mode on LinkedIn. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to open up your LinkedIn application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to head over to your profile. You can tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and then tap on view profile. Under view profile here, if you scroll down below, under resources you shall find the option that says creators mode. In my case, it's not here. Unfortunately, the option itself is unavailable on your application. You'll have to do it on the browser. So on the browser, if you head over to your profile, under resources you should find the option that says creators mode. You can tap on it, you can open it up, and you can go ahead to the prompts and set up your creator modes and turn it on. So this is the way that you can turn on creator mode on LinkedIn. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.